What's up, guys? Now I have come to realize that there is power to all of these things. You know, some months ago Obi Cubana had issues with him using too much, like excess mobile police. Same thing has been done to E-Money, same thing has been done to Chief Priest and loads of other entertainment celebrities and billionaires from the eastern part of Nigeria at recent time. But this video show up online some days ago where the CEO and the owner of Atlas Oil, I'm talking of no other person but Sir Eze, was spotted with 4 mobile policemen while he was driving a bike, and they were running after him. Now, this is what you have to know, that this money, there's levels to this money, and one of the more reason why we always talk about these people here is to motivate you guys so that you work more for yourself and upgrade your level. Anyway, enjoy the video, listen to the moments. Don't forget to drop a comment here, subscribe here on the channel. Love you guys.
Give coverage fire. That's enough money.
One ego amaka. Money is beautiful. Making money is one of the biggest thing. I think it's one of the biggest energy of man on earth. Like thinking of ideas to keep generating funds, to keep printing funds each day. Now this man looks very old. You'd see him, if you see him, you think this one will die tomorrow. But trust me, each passing year he keeps living and he keeps maintaining the list of one of the top richest billionaires from the eastern part of Nigeria, with so many investments, from gas to crude oil to companies to automobiles and the rest of others. He's just so taking the entrepreneurial level to another phase entirely. You could see he was with Obi Cubana and had a wonderful time. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Your comments are very much welcome in the comment section. See you guys on my next video.